Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable Resizable BAR in BIOS. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To enable or disable the Resizable BAR, base address register, in your BIOS, follow these steps. What is Resizable BAR? Resizable BAR is a feature that allows the CPU to access the entire GPU memory at once, improving performance in certain games and applications. It's particularly useful for gaming setups with modern GPUs and motherboards. Restart your PC and press the appropriate key, usually Delete, F2, or Escape, during startup to enter the BIOS. If you are in Easy Mode View, switch to Advanced Mode View. In this case, I can do that by clicking on Advanced Mode or pressing F7. Disable CSM, Compatibility Support Module. In the BIOS, go to the Boot tab. Disable CSM to ensure UEFI mode is active. Enable above for G decoding. Navigate to the Advanced tab, then PCI Subsystem Settings. Enable above for G decoding. This is required for Resizable BAR. Enable Resizable BAR. In the same Advanced and PCI Subsystem Settings option, look for Resizable BAR support. The Resizable BAR option may be described as Resize BAR, Smart Access Memory, or Clever Access Memory. Set it to enabled or disabled, based on your preference. Save and exit. Finally, save the changes then exit. In this case, I can do that by going to the Exit tab then clicking Save Changes, and reset or pressing F10. Ensure your GPU, CPU, chipset, motherboard and drivers support Resizable BAR. Supported GPUs, NVIDIA. Resizable BAR is supported on GeForce or TX 30 series GPUs and newer models. A firmware update may be required. AMD GPUs with RDNA 2 architecture and newer support Resizable BAR, branded as Smart Access Memory. Intel Arc GPUs also rely on Resizable BAR for optimal performance. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.